How to fix slow download speed on Google Chrome. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speed problem on your Chrome browser. So all what you have to do is go to Google Chrome. This is the home page. Now go to the top right here and click on those three dots and then go down to settings as you can see. And now all what you have to do is go right here and change this settings word with flags and click enter. It will take you to this page. Now right here search for parallel downloading, and after you search for it you will find this option. All what you have to do is click here and click enable and then click relaunch, and your browser must be fast than it was. You can try it and I am sure it's gonna work. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.